God. Freaking briars. Tonight we're going to be doing an overnighter in this old, rundown, abandoned outbuilding. God, freaking briars. Man, this thing is old. Old tools. Got some wasp nests. Man, look at all this wood in here, man. Man, there's a chair. There's another chair. I hope there ain't no wildlife in here. Raccoons. Man, look at that vintage. That's an old Mountain Dew bottle right there. Check that out. Hey, there's a piece of metal tin too back in there. So it's like a room and then a little side area that's open to the front. What can we do with all this wood? Burn it? Build walls? Close this thing in on the front? But look at how overgrown this thing is. And in the summertime, you can't even hardly see this thing. There's no attic access, so I guess the vulture is going, he's going in up on the front where there's a board missing on the front. And there's stuff up there too. That looks like an old basket or something in there. Hay bales. This is an old barn. You see that hay bale in there? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's like a little door up there. It's probably going to be very dangerous to have a fire under here, because this thing will go up in a blaze of glory. But we'll figure that out later. I need to clear this out back here so I can get into the woods from here and get firewood. That's gonna take a lot of work. What to do, what to do. Got my Snugpak sleeping bag. It's rated down to 30 degrees. Tonight the low's gonna be in the upper 30s. Got my food bag, sit pad, got thermal underwear, and I got my Gore-Tex bivvy. Trying to find my gloves. There we go. I also have my Climate Static V sleeping pad. I just want to clear out some of these briars that's growing up in here. Try to eliminate trip hazard as much as possible. There's an old hammer. All right, I got that area right there cleaned out pretty good. How cool would it be? I'm gonna use some of this wood. We make a bench right here. We still got to figure out if we can have a fire in here or not. And if I can use the metal to make a little stove, we won't have a big fire, but we'll have something to keep warm and to cook with. I'm getting thirsty, man, already. There we go. Starting to get as high as I want it. Yes. This is an oldie goldie. Quitting business. Out goes the entire stock. 30% off. This bud's for you. Well, it took some figuring out, some puzzle piecing. Oh, but I think we got it. Oh my God, my ribs. Oh, the last time I was out in the woods, when I was walking the creek, I was cutting a dead standing down and it kicked back. I was standing in the wrong place. Standing where I shouldn't have been, and kicked back and hit me right in the ribs right here. Probably got a little fracture, little bruise going on. All right, let's go ahead and build us a little table. Table now, son. Got my lucky horseshoe. Here goes my idea for a fire pit. Damn it. This place even comes equipped with some firewood. Well, it also comes with beer too. Boy, I've worked for this one. Oh yeah. Well, right now it's 3:45. I'm going to be very careful, very careful with a small fire and see how it goes, because I have this 100-year-old dry wood above me that's going to catch. It can catch real quick. Hopefully I don't go to jail tonight. Yeah, I went and got the old trusty car hood just for a little added safety measure. So this fire's been going for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There is no heat directly above this. There is to the side a little bit. That's exactly what I wanted. Stop that direct heat from going straight up. Do not try this. Do not do this. Do not do what I'm doing. Just don't do it. This knife I'm using, got this from a buddy at work, Zach. It's got a nice sheath. Check that out, man. Zach gave this to me. Dude, I really appreciate this. It's a full tang knife. It's got the Damascus steel where it's been folded over so many times. Got the design in the blade, and it's sharp too. This is a good solid piece of steel. The handle is made out of ram's horn, he said. Now I'm not sure where Zach got this. I think it was gifted to him by somebody. But dude, it's sharp. It feels great in the hand. You can check him out on Instagram. He just went on a wild boar hunt, wild hogs, down in South Carolina. He got like 5 or 6 hogs. Here he is working out in the gym. Look at him all swole. I used to be like that. Well, not quite that swole, but I had a little bit back in the day. Ha! Wood that I got from this little room over here, it's got an old smell to it. I wish I had a burner. This whole thing just kind of smells old. Man, the smoke is just lingering up in here, man. That is not good. Ah, God. Man, this wood stinks. I've got to go get some more wood to put on that, to get that to burn up. Produce a flame or something. I am getting smoked out in here, and I'm probably breathing all this stuff in. Oh, I'm super tired, man. Super tired. The sleeping bag is warm already, brother. Probably gonna have to take this hoodie off, to be honest. But I did put my thermals on. under everything, so I should be nice and toasty. I'm gonna put my hoodie down in the sleeping bag with me. Good morning. Oh, God. I slept like a rock. It's 9:30. Everything went fine. I went right to sleep after I stopped coughing my head off. Man, it's cold. Sometimes the guy's just better off in the woods.